Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Volt. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a 1-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, cargo net,